Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on your device and log in. Here, tap DApps at the bottom and scroll down until you find PancakeSwap. Tap on it. Next, tap Connect Wallet at the top right and tap Trust Wallet. So that's how you connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.